11th standard social science second term first lesson Vijayanagar and Bamini kingdoms. First Roman, choose the correct answer. First question, who was the greatest ruler of Sangama dynasty? Devaraya II. Second question, which was the most common animal depicted on the pillars of Vijayanagara style? Answer, horse. Third one, who was the last ruler of the Sangama dynasty? Answer, Virupaksharaya II. Fourth one, who ended the Sultanate in Madurai? Answer, Kumara Kampanna. Fifth one, name the Bamini king who was the linguist and a poet. Answer, Sultan Feroz. Fill in the blanks. Dash was the capital of Aravidu dynasty. Pennukonda. Vijayanagar empires issued a large number of gold coins called Varahas. Muhammad Gawan used Dash chemists to teach the preparation and use of gunpowder. Persian. In Vijayanagara administration, Dash looked after the affairs of village. Answer, Gowda. இங்கே கவுடல்னு கொடுத்துருக்கு, நம்ம எல் போடாமல் கவுடான்னு எழுதணும். Match the following. Vijayanagar, city of victory. Prataputra, ruler of Odisha. Krishna Devaraya, Ashtadigajas. Abdur Razak, Persian emissary. Tenali Ramakrishna, Panduranga Mahatayam. Assertion and reason. First one, assertion. The Vijayanagar armies was considered one of the feared armies in India. Reason, Vijayanagar armies used both firearm and chivalry. Answer, R is correct explanation of A. Second one, find out the wrong pair. Silk, Arabia. Third one, find out the odd one out. Harihara, Muhammad 1, Krishna Devaraya, Devaraya 1. Answer, Muhammad 1. Question number 4. Consider the following statements and find out which is or are correct. Turkish throne is one of the beloved royal seats of Persian kings described in Firdaus Shah Nama. The fertile regions between the rivers Krishna and Tungabhadra and Krishna Godavari Delta were the zones of conflict among the rulers of Vijayanagar and Bamini. Third one, Muhammad I was educated at Multan. Fourth one, Muhammad Gawan served with great distinction as the Prime Minister under Muhammad III. Answer, 1, 2 and 4 are correct. Third one is wrong. True or false? Harihara and Bukka were the founder of Bamini kingdom. False. ஏன்னா ஹரிஹராவும் புக்காவும் விஜயநகர எம்பையர் தான் கண்டுபிடிச்சாங்க. Krishnadevara, who reigned for 20 years, was the most illustrious ruler of Sangama dynasty. False. ஏன்னா அவர் சங்கமா டைனாஸ்டியில் சேர்ந்தவர் கிடையாது, அவர் துளுவா டைனாஸ்டியை சேர்ந்தவர். Alsanni Peddana was the greatest of all Ashtadigajas. True. Kingship of Vijayanagar administration was heredity, based on the principle of primogeniture. True. There were 18 monarchs of Bamini kingdom. True. Answer in 1 or 2 sentences. First question. The 4 dynasties of Vijayanagar kingdom with reference to prominent rulers of each dynasty. 4 dynasties namely Sangama, Saluva, Tuluva, Aravidu. இது வந்து நமக்கு எதுவுமே கொடுக்கல இந்த சங்கமாக்கு யார் ப்ராமினென்ட் ரூலர்னு நான் சொல்கிறேன், எழுதிக்கோங்க. சங்கமா டைனாஸ்டி. தேவராயா 2, சலுவா நரசிம்மா, துலுவா கிருஷ்ணதேவராயா, அரவிது, திருமல தேவராயா. Second question, Battle of Talikota. Answer. The Sultan of Deccan forming a league to fight the Vijayanagar Empire. The combined forces of enemies met at Sadasivaraya Talikota in 1665. In the ensuing battle, known as Rakasa Tangadi, Vijayanagar was defeated. ரக்காசா தங்கடின்றது பேட்டில் ஆஃப் தள்ளிக்கோட்டா தான். அது பேட்டில் ஆஃப் தள்ளிக்கோட்டாக்கு இன்னொரு நேம் வந்து ரக்காசா தங்கடி. Third question, the structure of governance of Vijayanagar kingdom. The empire was divided into different mandalas. Mandalasna provinces, nadus districts, talas taluks, and finally into gramas, that is villages. Each province was administered by a governor called Mandaleshwara. The lowest unit was the village. Each village had a Grama Sabha. Gowda village headman looked after the affairs of the village. The army consists of infantry, cavalry, and elephant crops. Fourth question, 5 independent kingdoms of Delhi Sultan. Bidar, Bijapur, Ahmednagar, Berar, and Golconda. Fifth question, the educational reforms of Alauddin Hasan Shah. Alauddin Hasan Shah on his accession took special care in founding a school to educate his sons and open institution for the purpose of educating the children of noble families in the art of soldiery. Answer in detail. 7th Roman, answer in detail. First question, discuss the career and achievements of Krishna Devaraya. Careers. Krishna Devaraya, who reigned for 20 years, was the most illustrious ruler of the Tuluva dynasty. He captured Gulbarga of Muhammad Shah, Odisha from Pratrupudra, Golconda from Sultan, and Raichur from the ruler of Bijapur. Achievements. Krishnadevaraya built huge irrigation tanks and reservoirs for harvesting rainwater. He built famous temples of Krishna Swami, Hazar Ramaswamy, and Vithalar Swami in the capital city of Hampi. இங்கே ஹம்பிக்கு வந்து ஹெச்க்கு மட்டும் கொடுக்கலாம், அதை நம்ம எழுதிக்கலாம். And also construct the temple gateways called Raya Gopuram. He built many strong forts. He patronized art and literature. Astadigiras adorned his court. Krishnadevaraya wrote Ammukathalaya, and epic in Telugu, and a Sanskrit drama Jambavati Kalyanam. 8th Roman number, Hots. First question, discuss the causes of decline of Vijayanagar rule. To what extent the Bahmani sultans contributed to it? Answer. The main cause of decline of Vijayanagar empire were the military ambitions of the Vijayanagar rulers and Deccan sultan resulted in shifting alignment. In Battle of Talikota, the Vijayanagar empire were completely defeated. Both the Vijayanagar and Bahmani kingdoms claimed Raichur Doab lying between Krishna and Tungabhadra because of its fertile rich land. Both wanted to conquer Golconda because of its gold mines. Both the powers described extending their kingdom and had religious jealousy. Each considered the other as the danger to its extent. Map. First one, highlight the boundaries of Vijayanagar Empire and Bahmani Kingdom. டாப்பில் டாட்டாக இருக்கிறது வந்து பாமினி கிங்டமோட ஃபுல் அந்த எக்ஸ்டென்ஸ். அப்புறம் கீழே வந்து ஸ்லாஷ் அந்த கோடு போட்டிருக்கிறது வந்து விஜயநகர் எம்பையர். 10th Roman number, answer in grid. Name the kingdom ruled by 18 monarchs which lasted for nearly 180 years. Answer, Bamini kingdom. Second one, name the Bamini Sultan who was restored to the throne by Krishnadevaraya, Muhammad Shah. Third one, name the book written by Krishnadevaraya in Sanskrit. Jambavati Kalyanam. Fourth one, where did Hasan Shah Bamini shift his capital? Answer, Gulbarga. Thank you friends.